Hi, how are you all? Shalom. Yeah, so I have been thinking to make a long video since so long time, but I wasn't so free. So now this is actually a gap that has been given to me from college to for studying. So I have exam, but I'm using this gap to talk to you guys. Look how generous I am. Appreciate me, guys. Yeah, so this is my first long video and I want to share few Bible verses with y'all and want to just chit chat, have a little informal time of talking because I have been posting 100 videos of Avard Kiva. Avard Kiva is a verse a day, keeps your worries away. And there are many challenges which I have faced, which I have overcome by God's grace. But yeah, then He is leading me. He is not leaving His hand. Like He is literally holding my hand like this and making me survive in this life. So yeah, guys, how are you all? Just wanted to, ask my big YouTube family and my Instagram family as well. YouTube Instagram में ज़्यादा लॉन्ग वीडियोस पोस्ट नहीं कर सकते यार. सो मेरे को ना लाइक आई वांट टू टॉक सो मच विथ यू ऑल, बट व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू. 90 सेकेंड्स का ही टाइम है इंस्टाग्राम में, उससे ज़्यादा देयर इज़ नो. एंड स्टोरीज और वगैरह में भी आई डोंट थिंक सो पीपल वॉच, दे स्किप इट. सो या, this is a YouTube video I'm shooting, and the thing is, take a time, like give it, like think about it, be still, like रुक जाओ, वहीं पे रुक जाओ. I mean, if you are watching this video while walking, don't stop. रुक जाओ means take a break in your life. Like, we all are struggling, we all are busy, we all are doing this, that, and keeping ourselves busy and pretending as if we are okay, everything is going smooth, we are fine. Bro, chill. Give some time for yourself. Be with God. Like, if you want to discover yourself more, the best way to discover yourself more is to sit in Blessed Sacrament. That is what I would suggest. Like, God will dig all of those areas where you feel that you are broken. God is there for you. Why are you taking so much tension? Why are you worrying? My life is a big testimony. If I say my life is a very big testimony, and I would be glad if you all want to know my testimony, because testimony is something that you are telling to people to know how great is my God, to make you all how great, how wonderful things He can do in people's life. You will just go crazy listening to all of these things. So be chill. Like, don't force yourself. Don't get stressed. Don't get worried for whatever is happening in your life. Give it a thought. Are you happy? Are you happy surviving? Or is it just, chal raha hai, chalne do, going with the flow? What else can I do? You don't have to do anything. You just have to do one thing. That reel is there, right? Where Matthew says to guys, I have only one thing to do today. Follow Him. Every day when you wake up, remind yourself, only one thing. One thing only. Follow Him. He will take you to where He wants. He will show you places, show you people. You will be like, oh, crazy. So just be chill, just be, surrender it to God, whatever is there. Yeah, I'm not saying everybody's life is very simple. It's not easy to surrender. It's not easy to follow. It's not easy to take up your cross every day and follow No, it's not at all easy, but just give it one try and you won't regret giving your time to God. It is said, right? The time you spent with Jesus is never wasted. It is always the time of investment. You are investing your times to receive more blessings, more grace, all of those things. So this is just an awareness, just a reminder to be still, to trust Him, to be with Him. Just be with Him. Like, don't rush, don't try to do everything on your own, don't take so much of stress. Be still. Things will work out, things will shape, fit in. God will make it. Trust in Him. He is God. He is a God who always have plans that are better for us. It is written, right, in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. It says, I have plans for you, plans for your prosperity and not for your destruction. He has got plans. Trust Him. He has got much. He, in fact, if we can say, the amount, like, how do I put it, like, how much you are worried about your life, into 10 if you do, into 100 if you do that worriness. If you are worrying like 1 kg, you are worrying every day, God is worrying for you 100 kgs. Like, He is literally thinking about you. He is literally into you. He loves you so much. He is like, just be calm. Just be with me. That's all I want. There is nothing extra. I'm not telling you to do anything extra. Only one thing. Just be with me. Follow me. And accept me as your Lord and Savior. That is what Lord is saying. Nothing else. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing. Your mama might be saying, do this, then only I will give you this. Your father might be saying, but God doesn't want anything from us. He only wants one thing, to be with Him, to love Him, to follow Him. So yeah, only this much I am posting it. If you all want my testimony videos, do let me know. I would be happy to shoot them whenever it's possible for me. And as I said, trust in Him, be with Him, follow Him. Only one thing. It's a reminder. If you are watching this and if you are trying to make me happy, please do give it a subscribe, like, share, comment, share it with your friends and tell them to be still, to be with Him and trust Him. Chalo then, bye bye. Thank you all for watching. Bye.